everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Puna Store brushes set of 12. Let's start the video. So I got these brushes on Amazon. The original price shown on the site was Rs $9.99. It was 60% off, so I got it at a price of Rs $3.99. The brushes come in a tin box and the packaging of the overall product is good, and when you open it, the contents are fresh and well packed. The brushes are very soft, works well, bristles are fine, and the blending is also good. The only problem with the brushes is that they do not have a name. Like for what function the brush is intended for, we don't know. Which is the eyeshadow brush, which is the blush brush, and that is a problem for the newbie, like me. For someone who has just started learning makeup and do not want to spend much on brushes, can go for these brushes. It is good for beginners and perfect for the amount paid. Now, let's proceed to know the name of brushes and their uses. On number 1, we have the powder brush, which can also be used as the blush brush, contour brush, or the highlight brush. Seriously, you don't need a different brush for all of these functions. Just one good brush that lays the color beautifully and does it all. It has light and fluffy bristles, as you can see, which are not densely packed like the foundation brush. On number 2, we have the stippling brush. It is a bit smaller than the powder brush and it creates a flawless airbrushed base with high definition. It can be used to apply bronzer, foundation, highlight or blush, and it is mostly effective in applying the cream or liquid products. It has very soft and feathery like bristles at the end. You can see it. Next, we have the foundation brush. It is used to apply foundation or concealer to your face. I really don't use a brush to apply foundation to my face. I do it with my fingers or damp beauty blender. But this brush is really soft and got tapering end and can be perfectly used to apply foundation. Next we have is concealer brushes. These are paint brush shaped. I found 2 of these in this set. One is smaller and the other one is bigger. They can be used to apply under eye concealers or creme eyeshadows, and they are slightly denser with firm bristles. Next we have is brow brush. It has firm and dense bristles. It can be used to define and fill in brows and can be used to apply gel eyeliners, as you can see. Next, we have the blending brush. It is used to apply eyeshadow to the crease. The bigger and the rounder the tip, the more softer and more blended the application will be. It is the best for beginners. Next we have is the crease brush. It is angled instead of being round for more precise application. Next we have is the pencil brush. It is shaped like a pencil and relatively small. It can be used to apply eyeshadow to the bottom of your lashes or to put highlighter in the inner corners of your eyelid. Next we have is the flat eyeshadow brush. It creates a smooth base for any eyeshadow application. It is one of the very essential brush with dense and firm bristles, and it is a bit thicker, as you can see. Next we have are the lip brushes. One is a normal lip brush with a round kind of head. The other is a square head lip brush, which I use to apply lipstick. As you can see them. that was it from my side. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.